To load the MP5K, place the gun on safe and remove the magazine. Remove the top and bottom pins. Remove the buttstock. Place a drop of oil onto the CO2 cylinder. Place the CO2 into the gun. Place the buttstock back on the MP5K and put the pins back in place. To pierce the CO2 cylinder, fold over the buttstock and turn the screw knob clockwise until you hear the CO2 pierce. Be sure to dry fire the MP5K to make sure the gun is operating correctly before loading the magazine. Put the gun back on safe and load the magazine. To load the magazine, push the follower down until it catches. Hold down the BB catch and add the BBs. Now release the follower. Place the magazine in the gun and you're ready to rock and roll.